Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how to create reading lists in Wall Street Journal Context, and I'm logged into Wall Street Journal right now and I'm on the Professor tab. Here's this link to Context, which is how you can create reading lists using sources from the Wall Street Journal. It's going to ask me to log in. And you can see I've already created one class, and it's called What is the Metaverse? And down here you can see that I have two reading lists created for that class. I can easily create a new class here, and when you create a class, it'll ask for a name of the class, and a description, and you don't need to select start dates, so we can just hit create, and now I can start creating a reading list. So I'm going to click on new reading list, and I'll give it a title, and create my list. Again, I don't need to use start dates or end dates. And now here's where you can add materials to your list. There are broad categories of materials, so I can select from accounting, entrepreneurship, and so on and so forth. Or I can search a topic, and see what we get. And if I see something that looks good, I can simply add it to the list. And here's Fresca. And for some reason I want to see why Coca-Cola is mentioned in this article about China and Walmart. So I'll add that to my list. And now I'll scroll back up to the top. And I can go to my articles. And there are the three articles I selected as part of my reading list. And from this point, I can invite students to this list by copying and pasting that link into an email that I send to them, and then I can manage my students from here. I can go back to my class, which is the soft drink industry, and I can create another reading list, or I can also invite students from this page. Works the same way. You get a link that you send out to students. It's possible that this can be integrated into Canvas, but we'd have to have OTL do some work to get that done. Well, I like this option. I'm going to go back to my classes here. You are using just one source, and Wall Street Journal is excellent for many things. For example, my background readings on what is the metaverse. There are lots and lots of articles in the Wall Street Journal about the metaverse, and I picked 7 or 8 to put into my reading list. And when I check out my other reading list, more current events, when I put together this reading list, the Wall Street Journal only had these 5 articles about the volcanic eruption in Tonga. So if I wanted more information or from a different perspective, I would choose to use a different way to get reading lists into Canvas. I'll show you how to do that in my next video. Thanks.